Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of the prestigious Landed Home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772. I'm Wendy.
I'm Max, and today we are thrilled to showcase a stunning 3-story terrace with a mezzanine and attic nestled within the vibrant NIM collection community in District 28, developed by Bukit Sembawang.
It is a move-in condition terrace, especially if you are considering other landed that is under construction. We are here at 17 NIM Terrace, part of NIM Collection, where contemporary design harmonizes with the lush green surroundings.
This south-facing house sits on 1,615 square feet of land, has the impressive build-up of 4,257 square feet of build-up. Lots of space for everyone.
Now you must see this grand foyer. This luxurious double volume ceiling immediately captures your attention, and the spaciousness is just so inviting.
Exactly, and perfect for hosting all those gatherings for friends and family. Just imagine movie nights and family hangouts.
And notice the patio just outside, a spot for alfresco moments and Singaporeans' favourite, barbecues.
Now let's check out the kitchen and the dining area.
This convenient island also connects the two spaces, giving you additional space for meal prep, really convenient.
Behind this stunning pantry lies an enclosed dry and wet kitchen, perfect for cooking for the entire family. Up to the mezzanine, where we find the first spacious ensuite room in the house. Be it a bedroom, an entertainment room, hobby room, or a gym room, the possibilities are endless. What's more, the mezzanine comes with a balcony where you can continue your outdoor enjoyment. And on the second story, you have a huge master bedroom, decked out with a master bathroom and a huge walk-in wardrobe.
this the other ensuite bedroom on the other side. I could see this being converted into a study or a nursery.
On the third story, there are two more ensuite bedrooms with a connected space in the middle, perfect for a family area or little headquarters for the children. By the way, that's bedroom 4 and 5 for those counting. Finally, let's ascend to the roof terrace. Sunset views and fresh air. What more could you ask for?
At this moment, the attic is used for storage and as a home gym. For creative types, this space could be used as a home studio.
Did you know? NIM Meadow Park, affectionately known by the residents as Gardens by the NIM, is just around the corner. A 100-meter wide linear park that stretches along the front of NIM Collection, it joins with a nearby park connector that takes you on a scenic walk and cycling route towards Punggol Park and Waterway.
Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour at 17 NIM Terrace, NIM Collection. Whether you're a nature lover or a city enthusiast, this home offers the best of both worlds.
Make an appointment today with Katherine at 9367 772 immediately. We trust that you will love it. AAG Landed 772, your compass for landed properties.